we are making one of the most outrageous sandwiches in the history of Mexican cooking. It's called the Pambazo, and it is an overflowing, messy torta. So we're gonna begin with a filling, and the filling has a combination of Mexican-style chorizo and potatoes, or papas con chorizo. And I am going to coarsely chop the chorizo. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to my pan, adding the chorizo in here. And I'm going to finely chop this white onion. Okay, now I'm gonna add all these onions right in here. I'm mixing this up. And as this continues to cook, we're going to make a guajillo chile sauce. The guajillo chile has a delicious cherry, tomatoey taste. And to cook it, you need to remove the stem and remove the seeds. And then I put 8 of those guajillo chiles in this pot. I covered them with water. I added a couple of garlic cloves and a quarter of a white onion in chunks. And I cooked it just until the chiles become completely rehydrated and plumped up. So I'm gonna add the chiles along with the garlic cloves and the onion. And then I'm gonna add about a half a cup of this cooking liquid. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna puree these until completely smooth. Smells so delicious. And the color, I think this is my favorite color. So here goes the sauce, where we're gonna soak that bread. This is the bread that we use. You can use any round bread roll that has kind of a harder crust. I have a couple of chipotle chiles in adobo sauce that I'm going to chop. I'm adding the chipotle in here. I have 2 pounds of potatoes that I peeled and cubed and cooked in salted boiling water. This go in here. Salt and pepper. And then we're gonna mash the mixture. I'm gonna scrape the filling right in this bowl. This is so delicious. We have refried black beans that I've just been heating. La Costeña refried beans are so delicious. I'm gonna use the same pan. I'm gonna grab a roll. I'm gonna slice my roll in half. Then I'm gonna soak the bread in the guajillo sauce, both sides. Then, okay, we need something fresh and refreshing and green and crunchy. I'm gonna slice the lettuce. Then we're gonna dress the lettuce. I'm gonna add some olive oil and some white distilled vinegar and a pinch of sugar and some salt, pepper. I'm gonna flip the bread. Oh, yum. Yum. It's gonna get a layer of refried beans and mashed potatoes with chorizo, lettuce, cream, queso, pickled jalapeños, and this is like the definition of a beautiful, tasty mess. It is perfect for a celebration when you want to get messy.